what's up, Sammy here. Today in this video we are gonna unbox Fiido D11 e-bike. So currently this product is still in crowdfunding on Indiegogo. It still has a couple of days left. You can check out if you want. The full review will be out after the campaign, but during this days we'll do all kinds of tests like battery life tests and terrain tests, all kinds of crazy tests. Or what test you want me to do specifically, just leave your comment below and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. So this box comes like really lightweight, you know, it's really not like something I've unboxed before. You know, the giant box, you know, especially the City Coco motorcycles, those are crazy. Anyway, let's just open it real quick. First of all, we see Allen keys, the wrench, cable, charger, and also it has a user manual for the charger. The pedal, foams, let's remove it. This is the seat post. The saddle. This seat post also is a battery. It's actually very heavy. So you see the tail lights. Okay, really nothing. It's lightweight. It is lightweight. You can easily this is like you can do kind of work out at your home, you know. Anyway, let's just cut all those wires. I would just leave all the specs, you know, here where I cut all these wires. It has really compelling specs, like especially what I'm really impressed is the 100 kilometer range in moped mode. And that's something I definitely will test. I will just put it in moped mode and ride it. How much range I can get. The frame really impressed me. It's really well made, polished really well. The folding mechanism, you see a lock here. Unlock. It's really easy. This folding mechanism, I have a little lock here. Okay. Woo! Woo! You want to put your ass high up here, shoot yourself. But the best way maybe is parallel with the handlebar, right, folks? Okay. And then connect. What else? What else? The handlebar maybe I need to adjust a little bit. But first, let's install this pedal. Well, good. Okay, one last thing is this handlebar we need to adjust a little bit. This is Shimano 7-speed key. You need to adjust a little bit too. Okay, you can adjust to the angle you want. So for me, this way. So I will just screw it tight. Okay, all good. Woohoo! So we can turn now. Just long press, I guess. Oh, you have to turn down first, and then you long press, I guess. Okay. Current speed, battery, remaining battery charge, moped mode, and this should be the mileage. So that's it. So as you can see, let me check so 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So as you can see, from unboxing to installation takes me about 60 minutes, and that's I'm even recording, and talk to you, so that even takes more time. So it should be like 10 minutes maybe, could be okay. So yes, that's the unboxing of this video is very simple. Oh, it's really lightweight. The tires is I don't know, it's 20-inch, I guess. So it's a little bit thin, small, but it's a branded tire, CTS tire, so it should be very good. So that's it. It's simple, looks good and fun. It's well polished, and yeah, that's the unbox, and the installation. So what do you guys want me to test? During this period, just let me know. I will post videos now and then about this Fiido D11. So stay subscribed and subscribe if you haven't. So that's it. I'm Sammy. See you next time. Bye bye.